Hello everyone, welcome to the Techforce podcast show. I'm your host Shivani, and today we're going to talk about how integrating AI in project management can increase the efficiency of project managers. And to talk about AI, we have Rishi with us. Rishi is a project manager at Techforce Global. Hi Rishi, welcome to the show.
Hi Shivani, thank you, and it's very good.
So artificial intelligence has been the buzzword in business world since last couple of years, and businesses are looking to transform the teamwork and transform the efficiency of the employees into something very productive and how they can work with AI. So my first question to you Rishi would be like how AI is helpful integrated in project management and to improve the efficiency.
So there are many ways which we can integrate AI in the project management. There are many parts which we already work on a regular basis, or
Yes.
maybe sometimes in a week or two. So one of them is scheduling and planning.
Yeah.
So we do that at the start of the project, right? So that is somewhere we can use artificial intelligence so that it can improve our efficiency.
Yes.
Another is task automation. So basically, there are many tasks which we regularly work on. So it's like you are working on a similar task maybe a day or
Yeah.
maybe every week. So you can automate those tasks. So as a project manager, when you are actually working on that, you don't have to spend that time on creating those tasks or means remembering that these are the things
Right.
which we have to follow. Another is decision making. So we have to take a decision from our own experience itself, but AI can help us to get that data.
You're right.
So basically, when you have to take a decision,
Yeah.
you are looking to the past data.
Yes.
Or like some weather reporting kind of thing, like where we are looking into the past data to just predict that what we can do in the
Yes.
future, right?
Yes, right.
So in that case, some things, some data which a human can miss. So if we have an AI integrated there, then it can give you a better report, which can help you take a better decision, right?
Yes, fair.
Then project cost estimation. So we are estimating a cost of project every project, right? So in that as well, we can get a help from AI to get the previous data verified, and then based on that we can estimate a cost of a future project as well.
Right.
So this is also one of the thing. Next I would say is resource allocation.
Yeah.
So we are doing the allocation every project, every
Yes.
week, or after
Yes.
every task is completed, we have to
Yes.
allocate new, right?
Yeah.
So in there, if we have a past data which we can provide to AI, so based on that, it can take decisions that this is a better way we can allocate a resource to
Right.
any task which we have.
Right.
So these are basics. Another is like I would say risk management. So risk management is somewhere we have to check every now and then to see whether there is any risk to the project or not, like delaying it for 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, whatever reason it is. But AI can help us to identify that early.
Earlier.
Instead
Right.
of we going into that data and verifying everything, AI
Yes.
can help that.
Yes.
Basic few things which we are already doing. We have different tools like reminders and all that. So we are keeping our own reminders for smaller tasks. If that can be integrated in AI as well. AI can help you remind you. You have to do this. That will be helpful.
Right. Perfect. Perfect. So Rishi, just like I am a marketing person and we use various AI tools along with ChatGPT or Midjourney to create images, to create content. What are some of the tools that are used, AI tools that are used in project management?
From AI tool point of view, like for project management, there are many actually, but I would name some. So there is Trello. Trello we are already using, means many projects are already on Trello. Jira is another one. Then Asana is another which people are using. And another one which I would say is ClickUp. These are already using AI or integrated with AI to help project managers on the project itself. So yeah, these are some I would.
So with AI, there comes a risk factor of data, like data security and everything. So how can project managers ensure the like are they using AI ethically or not?
So using AI ethically is very important because it risks users or customers' data as well.
Yeah.
So that is something which we need to make sure as a project manager that security is not breached. Privacy, data privacy is very important. So basically, we must some project managers might be using data to identify that what future steps they can take in a project, what are the plannings. So in that part, when we provide that data to AI, they need to make sure that there is no data breach. The security of the data for a customer or even anyone like for a client or anything, that has to be there. They need to make sure that that data is not openly available and there is no data breach in that part. Another thing is when we use AI or any automation tool, I would say, but yeah, AI is better because it can take future decisions as well. So when they give you any data or any reporting, there is a possibility of data manipulation.
Right.
So AI, if it is not trained properly, if it is not it does not take proper decisions, if it is biased, then you might get a wrong data.
Right.
So that data can affect your decisions and your planning as well. So that is something which is very important when you train an AI for any reporting or anything like that.
Yes.
So yeah, that we need to make sure from project manager that it is tested properly before it is actually used. So that even the verification of the actual report which has been received, it has to be verified manually as well initially.
Right.
So that we are sure that yeah, the data which we are getting is 100% correct and not manipulated by AI.
Yes.
That is something we need.
Definitely, yeah, I agree. So we already have AI for cost estimation, we have AI for risk allocation, understanding the risks and the future of it. What are some of the challenges that project managers face or that are AI related to AI?
There are many actually. First is integrating the AI in our current project itself.
Right.
So if you already have an existing project, integrating an AI is very tough because you have to make sure of everything which is already there and you have to merge it with the AI. So that is something which is a very big challenge for any project manager. Another is about data privacy and security, which we discussed. So that is we need to make sure that everything is proper and in line with all the rules and everything. Another is the overcoming of the resistance. So whenever you integrate anything new, there will be some resistance from your team in integrating that new
Maybe
change.
Traditional people who have a
Yes.
traditional mindset.
Even with AI, there is a risk. Means there are fears that there can be a job loss.
Yeah.
Right. So anyone, if I talk about any job role, there are many things which AI has started. ChatGPT, right? So people have started fearing that it may replace them.
Yeah.
So I would say that is not the case, but yeah, you have to improve yourself for sure because any automation when it comes to market, people start fearing that it will replace us.
Yeah.
It will not, to be honest, because it will increase. Obviously, it will increase the job regarding knowledge.
Yeah.
So you have to learn AI to help yourself. Okay. So that is something which will come, but yeah, if you don't improve, if you don't update with the market, then obviously there is a risk.
Yeah, that's what I say. Basically, it is not you versus the AI, it is you with AI.
Yes.
So you have to adapt the AI, the skill set of what it is bringing to, what productivity it is bringing to.
Yes, that is correct.
Right.
It is there to improve your productivity.
Yes.
It is not there to close you or
Yes.
to just means like take your job. It is not there.
Right.
It is just to improve your productivity, so you can do something else as well. So that is something which you can improve your means your knowledge,
Yes.
your growth. So that is something you have to take into consideration and
Yes.
update yourself.
Right.
Another I would say is balancing the role of AI and the human. So that is something which we need to make sure that it is done properly. Also the cost estimation. So AI can be costly if you integrate it. So that is something you need to consider before integrating it.
Yeah.
There are limitations with AI when you integrate with your project. So you have to consider that as well. And last and not the least, I would say is the expectation from the AI. So maybe you may have stakeholders who say that if you integrate AI, then their expectation must to be means like it's very high.
Yeah.
But if you do not manage it properly,
Right.
then you might not get what they are expecting. So you have to manage that. Yeah, this is the only thing which we will be using AI for. Not everything. AI will not do everything for you. So you
Yeah.
have to manage that expectation as well.
Exactly. I agree. So coming to the last question of the podcast, how can project managers prepare themselves to work with AI?
Uh, it's easy, but yeah, it will take some time. So training is the best way.
Yeah.
Start training yourself to use that AI.
Yes.
Learn new AI tools which are coming in market daily.
Right.
Okay, because that is very important to improve yourself. Another is like using these tools to your advantage so that you can increase your productivity, plus you can learn something new.
Right.
So these are something I would say basic where we have to consider when we want to integrate that AI.
Right. Thank you so much, Rishi, for joining the show. Thank you so much for sharing your insights about AI and project management. I would like audience to tell us in the comments that if you have any questions about AI and project management and how project managers can work with AI, you can definitely ask us in the comments. That's it from this episode. Thank you, Rishi.
Thank you, Shivani. Thank you for.
That's it from this episode of the Techforce podcast show. Stay tuned to our show for new trends in technical world. We will be discussing the technical topics with our experts at Techforce Global. Please like, share and subscribe to the Techforce Global YouTube channel. Thank you.